Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2023 Can-Am SPYDER F3S Special Series with only 603 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. Offering the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels, the SPYDER is a versatile vehicle with sharp handling and responsive brakes. SPYDERs are in a category of their own thanks to their unique design and engineering, offering excitement and efficiency. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,011 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.